Hello students. Today we will learn how to frame interrogative sentences means questions in French in very easy and accessible way. So, starting with lesson number 9 of book French for Kids 2 is
Combien de questions?
means how many questions? In this lesson we are going to learn various ways how we can frame questions in French. Like what is this? Who is this? What are these?
Alors commençons.
Means let's begin. On this first page, it is mentioned that it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon and Anant is leaving from his home to buy some vegetables from the market. As he moved out of his house, he saw a strange man passing by and suddenly a question arrived in his mind. Who is this? He reached the market and went to a vegetable vendor. There he saw a type of vegetable that he had never seen before. He suddenly asked the vendor, "What is this?" As he was returning home, he saw some strange animals walking along the street and again a question arrived in his mind. What are these? Our mind creates these types of questions whenever we see something for the first time. First of all, let's learn some very important words like who is.
Qui?
In French, what is?
Qu'est-ce que?
In French, this is.
C'est.
In French, these are.
Ce sont.
In French. Let's learn now how to ask such question in French. Let's start with singular person. If you want to say, "Who is this?" in French you have to say.
Qui est ce?
In response you can say, "This is Aryan." In French you have to say.
C'est Aryan.
For plural person, if you want to ask who are they, in French you can say.
Qui sont-ils?
In response you can say, "There are my friends." In French you have to say.
Ce sont mes amis.
For singular animal and thing, if you want to ask, "What is this?" in French you can say.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
For this question there can be two responses, one for singular animal and second one is for singular thing. If we answer for singular animal you can say, "This is a dog." In French you have to say.
C'est un chien.
And for the second one we can say, "This is a car." In French we can say.
C'est une voiture.
Now for the plural animals and things. If you want to ask, "What are these?" in French you can say.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
In this question also you can respond in two ways. One for the plural animals, another one for the plural things. For the first one, you can say, "These are dogs."
Ce sont des chiens.
If you want to respond by saying, "These are cars," in French you can say.
Ce sont des voitures.
But one thing we should keep in mind here is that, in case of singular noun we will always respond by
C'est.
which means it is or this is. And in case of plural nouns, be it a person, animal or thing, we will always respond by
Ce sont.
which means these are. I hope you all must have understood how to frame questions and tier responses in French. Now, moving to the exercise part.
À vous.
Exercise 1. Write the questions and answers by seeing the images. In this question you can see there are some images of different things, persons. There are some blanks with every picture. You just have to write the questions and answers by observing the images. I hope you all must have enjoyed a lot learning French in this video.